How do? On this beautiful sunny morning. I'm going to take the worktop off. It's going to be a right ball ache doing it that way. Yeah, all it's going to be is undoing the cooker. And I think it's only held on with 4 screws at the moment, so it's just going to be easy doing it that way. Take it outside then and do it properly. It looks like it's going downhill, doesn't it? But it is because of this. Hurdy-gurdy. Oh, I've also ordered a blind. I need 2 big ones, don't I? One for here, one for there, but I can't afford both, so I've just got that one, which is also coming tomorrow. Oh, my tap's coming tomorrow as well. So once it's out, yeah. So that's what I'm on with. Right, see you later. Well, everything's out till the best part of 10 minutes. If everybody's going to build one of these, try and think ahead. You know, I can have this top off in 5 minutes. Easy, no problem. All I did basically was put these battens there, and regarding the back there screwed, it's only 2 screws, but the batten, like this, look, hang on, like that, got it there, yeah, there. Yeah, so basically all I do is screw from underneath, 2 screws. That's all it needs. You don't need it, you know. But I also do have it screwed there, but the battens are attached to the work surface. Right, anyway, yeah, also when putting your shelves in and all, make sure they're removable. Look, everything comes out for me, even that, so I can gain access almost immediately. Not a problem. Yeah, so I'm just waiting now for the sink to arrive. Took the cooker out, which were another few minutes. Like I say, 10-15 minutes and the job lot were out. Just try and think ahead. You know, that's all it is. Right, I forgot to mention, the tap in this bathroom had an airlight crack in the spout. Yes. So what I'm going to do, these taps here out of the kitchen, I'm going to put in there because I've got a new tap coming for my new sink. So I'm going to be on with that now. Apologies, my battery died on phone. And anyway, when I was putting it in, it's in now, it's sink anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna tighten everything up with the hob. Not too bad, does it, both of them? Yeah. Better in, won't it? Right, just get this sorted now. This basically just screws with some silly black things. Hard work they are. Right, anyway, like again, poles. Do you ever get one of those brain freeze days? Well, I've got one. I've been in van now for 2 hours. I'm in van because it's pissing down. Managed to find the earth points on the sink, which is there. Yeah, I've had to drill it all bigger. Right, I've got some nuts and bolts, and you can't get your finger at back to hold the nuts. Get on. Oh, rah! Anyway, I'm trying to find some screws that might go in and hold. I've got them, they're going in, but then they're just turning, they're not gripping. Oh, this is a pain in the arse. Wow, well, I've got to say, it wasn't hard, but the most difficultest thing I've ever had to do in this van. I swear to God, and only where were the bloody earth, this. Anyway, I managed to get it on. What I had to do were these, like, what are they called? Yeah, them. Take them off and use, because there's some of these, they're really big. So I had something to grip. What did it were? I couldn't get my fingers round to hold the nut to screw it in. You understand what I mean? Well, obviously you do, but God and Bennett. Anyway, I was that confident I put 2 on. Yeah. Right, I've only put 2 on. I didn't know whether I had to put 2 on or not, but there's an earth mark on that and an earth mark on that now, just for the sake of a bit of wire. This is 4mm wire. The actual original stuff, which is that, there, that's got strands, big thick strands in, so maybe doubling up with this is a good thing. If anybody wants to know why you have to earth a sink, even though everything's plastic apart from this, is because if there's a short in the water tank or anything like that, you need other hot water, it could kill you. Dead. Right, so, right, earthed up. Macro switch. Macro switch. Macro switch. Tied up. Do you like these? Are a good idea, aren't they? In fact, I could have got the same tap, without the macro switch, but it didn't come with these. And we all know what a bastard it is to put them on there. So this is going to make life easy, I hope. Need to get a waste pipe, but no rush for that. Well, not yet anyway. Right, I'm going to offer it in. I'm going to time lapse it. You want to see how I've got this propped up? Oh, good God. Caravan's full of junk again. Caravan? We've got a caravan now. Cool. Don't try this stove, folks. Don't that look pretty? Right, you bet you're wondering now, how's he going to connect up water? Well, my grandson just WhatsApped me. He's got over from school, he's got a new bike. Anyway, he's my best buddy. He's my sidekick, you know what I mean? He's alright, good lad. Right, yeah. La-da! Beautiful, isn't it? Very pretty. I can't believe how long it's took me to put a sink in. I really can't. That earth. Why don't they have a screw there or something? You know, they could just connect to it. They must think everybody's got thin fingers or something. God. Anyway, right, there it is. In. Oh, show you the plumbing. Oh, there we are. I've got this piece of cardboard here just in case there's any leaks. It'll show on the cardboard. That is one of them spouts. God, why is it not focusing? There. One of them spouts that goes straight down. Well, I want one that goes at 90 degree, because that is just interfering with my pan, and I'm not having that. No chance. That part there is just temporary, then I could try it because I need some proper hose. And there we go. It's cool, isn't it? Yeehaw! Here we go. Very slow, but it'll do. Okay, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy with it. cooker. Oh, and I haven't connected this as yet, and I haven't fixed that back. So yeah, I think it looks very nice, very, very pretty. Yeah, I did the sink tap as well. Like I said, no, that's all right. Need a plug. Just a pump in here now for toilet, which they said they're going to send me a new one. Yeah. So as I said yesterday, it's coming on. Oh yeah, I wish I could afford these. Yeah, that needs fitting. I'm going to do that tomorrow. So there you have it, people. Sandra can wash up till her heart's content. I couldn't give her shit myself. But Sandra says she's not going away until we get a sink. So there's the sink. Right, thanks very much.